Welcome to the State Bar of Wisconsin. Although we cannot be with you in person, we hope this short video introduction will put a friendly face to each name. We are your Ethics Council, the dynamic duo of Tim Pierce and Aviva Kaiser. Unfortunately, Tim would not agree to dress up like Batman and Robin, so we're not in costume, but feel free to use your imagination.
Thanks, Aviva. It's true, I do refuse to wear costumes, but I do answer your questions. So I'm Tim Pierce, and I've been Ethics Counsel here at the State Bar for about 16 years now. Before that, I worked at the Disciplinary Agency in Wisconsin, the Office of Lawyer Regulation, and I also worked as a criminal defense lawyer in the Public Defender's Office for about 5 or 6 years. And some of you may recognize me as I've also taught professional responsibility at the UW Law School for about the last 10 years. So if I'm seeing you again outside the law school, hello and welcome.
I'm Aviva Kaiser. Thank you, Tim. I'm Aviva Kaiser. Prior to joining the State Bar's Ethics Council in 2013, I taught for 25 years at the University of Wisconsin Law School. I taught professional responsibility as well as other courses. I was the director of the Legal Research and Writing program from 1992 until 2002. I received my BA in Chinese from the University of Wisconsin, or the University of Pittsburgh, and my JD from the State University of New York at Buffalo. Before starting my full-time teaching career, I clerked for the judge on the John Wayne Gacy case, and I clerked 2 years in the Illinois Appellate Court.
One of the main things we do here at the bar is we answer your questions on the Ethics Hotline, which is really more of a helpline, because what we try to do is help you resolve quickly and efficiently your questions about the disciplinary rules, the Office of Lawyer Regulation, or any other question about professional responsibility law in Wisconsin. And we have the resources, and I think our backgrounds show you, we like to think, the expertise to really give you quick answers to most of your questions. And so, for example, we might be talking to you about whether or not you have a conflict, and we might tell you you do, but it's a waivable conflict. One question we often get is, well, if I need a conflict waiver, is there a form for that? There isn't. But we have the resources and materials to help you draft a conflict waiver that's effective without spending tremendous amounts of time researching it. So we really encourage you to use this resource. Like I said, I've been here for about 15 years and I love frequent callers. So don't hesitate to call us. Aviva.
Thank you. In addition to the Ethics Hotline, we write ethics opinions, which you can find on our State Bar website. These ethics opinions are advisory in nature, but Wisconsin lawyers often use them for guidance. Although they're not binding on the Office of Lawyer Regulation, the Office of Lawyer Regulation does, in fact, refer to these opinions and consider them when they are evaluating a lawyer's conduct. We also write articles for the Wisconsin Lawyer, and Tim writes the ever-popular Ethical Dilemmas column, which you can find in Inside Track.
Who doesn't love a good dilemma? One of the other things we do is we give continuing legal education credits. And as most of you know by this point, the one credit you need is your ethics credit. So we listen to the questions we get on the hotline, and we do our best to try to give you some interesting, engaging, and most importantly, useful CLE presentations on ethics through the Pinnacle Division here at the State Bar. If you have any suggestions or anything you'd like to see in an ethics CLE, please let us know. We'd love to hear from you.
Thank you. We are here to help you. Your practice is our purpose. We hope you will call us whenever you have an ethics question, and we hope to meet you in person. Please stop by and say hello to us when we finally are able to get together.
We really do look forward to hearing from you. I think I speak for Aviva as well, that one of the things we really enjoy about this job is being able to talk to you and hear from members. And even over the years, I've gotten to know many members pretty well. So don't be afraid to reach out to us. That's exactly what we want you to do, and we're here to help you. Welcome to the State Bar.